guys, so we're gonna play egg. Me and Ira decided to play an egg hunt because we don't have to play any. So and and I saw this egg there, just doing nothing.
And it's rainy day.
And it's raining today. Yeah. So she is going to hide this egg, and I'm going to find it. So let's do this. I'm not peeking. See if it is ready.
So friends, I finding it. And suddenly we can find it.
Can you give me a hint? Can you give me a hint?
So
Found it!
she
Found it! Yay!
So it's time to need to find it.
I broke the egg.
I will cover my face.
Oh, seriously?
Okay.
No. Hey, don't peek.
Yes.
Okay. You heard it. So now Ira is finding the egg and she can't find it. I know she cannot find it. No, I'm just kidding.
Did you know where did you put it?
Here you go. No cheating. No cheating. No cheating.
I found it. It's just getting eight. Where did it go? Did you see that?
She didn't find it. She didn't find it. She didn't.
Some clue.
She didn't give me a clue.
I gave up.
No, you're going to find it.
Give up.
You have to find it.
Where is it? It's not there. I give up.
You have to find it. No giving up. No giving up. If you don't find it, I have I am going to have 5 score.
Okay. I
No,
really
seriously.
yes.
Give up.
Oh. So the winner is
Me.
Rhea.
So,
3 rounds. So
second
now-
round. Second round. Win.
So this is the egg. Egg.
Wait a minute.
Finish.
Early in the morning.
Oh, you find it.
I
Oh.
found it.
And it's my turn again. I'm going to lose again.
Take, take, take.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you
I
are.
just want you.
Oh. Wait, I can see you. No, seriously, Ira, I'm not picking.
No, I'm not. I'm just living.
No, you're not. I know you're picking.
Okay.
No.
So hot right now.
No, it's not.
In this. In.
No.
Look at my face. Game.
Don't say game.
Game. Game. Game.
see this in here. I know that.
Oh, I'm going to.
You're not funny. Ayla.
So hot in there.
I knew you. I know you're thinking. So I know you can find it because I know I know you saw me. Yeah, party. No, I have 10 points because I found your no. I mean I have 15 points because I found the other one. No, then you give up and I found the other one again. So I have 15 points. The first one I knew she can find it. She's not going to find it. So that she give up. No, only the first one only. Yeah.
Team up.
Give up. I'm going to have give up. That's the last. This is the last one. I hide it under the table.
So we're just posting Instagram question time
And if you have a question, just
and
just
the basic visitor MJ commenting.
what?
What is your favorite habits? And I just
What?
forgot the one. What is your favorite
other-
habits? I forgot the one. So
Your habit?
what is your favorite habits?
What habit?
Always doing.
You mean hobby?
Habit.
Hobby.
Okay. It is. I just read.
What's your favorite hobby? No, that's not hobby.
My favorite is eating.
My hobby is playing volleyball with my dad or playing with my dogs and
Mine
playing computer.
is checking my Facebook and checking my Instagram and playing with my friends and eating. Just eating while I'm tired.
While you're tired.
I forgot the other one's question. But so just put your questions in our page, Namana Lahat on Instagram, and comment in our picture in question time. So, comment it.
Is it going to break if I...
Just try.
It's okay, it's mine.
I think so. So, just one request from Ava_92. She requests that we will make a Lumban's bracelets, and we're not sure about it.
Lumban's bracelet?
Yeah.
We don't know if we can do that because
But-
we don't know where
Gonna
are we
buy
going to buy that.
But we will try.
But we will try.
We will try to make it. And don't worry, Ava_92, in your request. Oh, look.
Is that a shout out? Shout out? Is that a shout out?
So, thanks for your question, Crazy Visitor MJ. I am fun. No, don't fun. Just kidding. Just kidding.
So, follow me on follow us on Twitter sa Marahatan, follow us on Instagram.
Yeah.
Follow me on Twitter, Franz Balbeha. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram sa Franz Balbeha and follow her.
And my Twitter, Ira_Rockstar02, and Instagram, I have two accounts, Ira_Platon and Ira_Benjamin_.
No, the other one you're always.
Ira_Platon. But I always checking the Marathon if some new updates. So, gotta go. Bye.
Bye. See you tomorrow.
Bye.